We are Team BlockBusters, focusing on blockchain and IoT solutions for city issues and improvement of quality of life at a broad level. Our mentors are Dr. Mal and Ag, co-mentor Joba Adisa, Ayomade, Javid, Abdul Fez, and myself and Christopher are the team. Our theme is who are you going to call BlockBusters as we're working on blockchain. And this is the karaoke version, if you can hear. There it goes. So we're looking forward to the project. I think a lot of broad aspects of city and longevity and sustained problem solving with IoT sensors and a self-sovereign distributed ledger.
Excellent.